Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you guys the Razor Tour Pack from Advanblack, but with the Ravager Custom Airbrush series. This tour pack already has the airbrushing on it, and I'll get the camera down here in just a second so you can see the airbrushing on it, but we're gonna put this thing together for you and get it on the bike. Before I get in this video, I wanna say a big, huge thank you to everybody that's checked out the channel, everybody that's subscribed. Me and my family appreciate the hell out of it. Every one of you guys, all the comments that come in, the back and forth. I love that stuff. I check YouTube every day and try to get back with everybody as quick as I can. So if you like what you see, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that stuff is what keeps this channel going. It keeps us out in the garage and lets us keep bringing these videos to you so you can save hopefully a little bit of time and definitely a little bit of money. So with all that out of the way, guys, let's get this tour pack put together and get it put on this bike. So the first thing you're gonna need is a 4-point docking system, guys. This is what it looks like. Advanblack sells those as well. You can check out the YouTube channel because I have a video on how to install that on your bike. You're gonna need that first. If you already have a sissy bar or passenger backrest on your bike, then chances are you already have a 4-point docking system on your bike. I'll put the link to my video on how to install it right down in the description. So the second thing you're gonna need is a tour pack bracket, guys. You can get these in black or chrome from Advanblack. So this tour pack attaches to the bracket, and the bracket attaches to the 4-point docking system. So when you order the tour pack, guys, inside the box, you're gonna have your backrest, which looks like this. You're gonna have to install that. It's just 3 screws on the back right here and some acorn nuts. It's very easy to put on. You're gonna have a bag of hardware and a new set of keys. The 4 bolts and washers and nuts in here is what actually attaches the tour pack to the tour pack bracket. If you want to key your tour pack to your bike, so you have a 1 key that opens your saddlebags and your tour pack and also locks your bike, you can call HD and they can hook you up with that. All you have to do is give them the VIN number off the key. Sometimes you can slide this rubber back on your HD key and there's a number underneath there that they'll want. But they can make a tumbler and a key that matches your bike. But only HD can do that, guys. But we'll send you a set of keys if you don't mind, an extra key on your key ring to get in the tour pack. Also inside there you will get a metal reinforcement plate, guys. This is thick metal. This goes in the bottom of the inside of your tour pack, and I'll show you how to put that on in a second. It just reinforces everything and it makes it a lot more sturdier. So basically, this metal plate, your tour pack, and the tour pack bracket, the tour pack kind of sandwiches between the metal plate and the tour pack bracket and just sturdies everything up real good. But I'll show you how to put that on. But this goes inside the tour pack. Now bear with me, guys, because I took this camera off the tripod and I'm kind of freehanding it here, but I wanted to show you the detail in this paint job. I wanted to get the camera right up on this paint job so you can see it. That's the top. And of course, this is the bottom. The paint job does follow along the side and onto the back here as well. Now, this is upside down, guys, so keep that in mind. But I wanted to show you that the airbrushing is not just on the lid, but it's on the bottom too. Now you are going to need a couple of things to install this, guys. You're going to need an Allen head, a 5/32 Allen head. You can use a socket like this, or you can use an Allen wrench, whatever you want to use, or a 10mm wrench, or a deep well socket's what I like to use. I just put it on the end of my tool here, and the bolts are a little bit long that installs on here, so you use a deep well and you'll have this put together in no time. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. You got 4 holes in the bottom of this right here, and this plate goes inside there, and as you can see, one side is straight and the other side is curved. The curved edge matches the curved edge of the inside of this. So you basically just lay that in there, line up the holes. So the 4 bolts go from the inside down. You're going to put the rack on the bottom and put that through there and put the nut on it. So I'll just go ahead and speed the video up here, and we'll get this all installed. So that is it right there, guys. It's installed. It took me, I don't know, less than 2 minutes to put that together. To install the backrest, guys, as you can see, is 3 bolts. There's 3 acorn nuts, 10mm as well, and they just go in these 3 holes right here. So that's it, guys. It's very simple. Get your backrest on, get your metal plate on the inside, get your tour pack bracket installed, and it's ready to put on the bike. So that's it, guys. You just slip it onto your 4-point docking system and you're ready to go. One thing I wanted to touch on real quick with the bracket that goes on here, the Advanblack ones, guys, have slotted holes right here where your bolts go in. So you can literally move this rack back and forth about an inch, inch and a quarter on there, guys. So just kind of eyeball it at first. You're probably going to have to go on a ride first if you have a passenger, see if they feel like they're being pushed forward or just leaning back too far, and you can adjust those. It's very easy. We did it. I just took a wrench with me. The first time I put it on there, I had it pushed up a little bit too far. She felt like she was being pushed forward, so I just slid it back just a tad. It doesn't take very much before they feel like they're leaning way back. So just do little increments at a time until they're comfortable, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot more to it, guys. Takes less than 5 minutes to install one of these on your bike, unless of course you have to install the 4-point docking system. But also check out that video. The description will be down in the link if you don't have one. They're very easy to put together and they're very easy to install. There's no need to take it anywhere to have that stuff installed, guys. You can do it at home in less than 10 minutes. So check these out on advanblack.com, guys. You've got a lot to choose from when you're picking out a tour pack. You've got 3 different sizes, razor, chopped, and king. You've got 2 different size backrests. We also have custom stitch backrests, and then all 3 of those sizes also have liners that go inside of them. And those liners come in 4 different colors. So make sure you check out everything, but just wanted to get this on camera so you could see the airbrush, see what it kind of looks like on the bike. Sorry, didn't have any sunshine, guys, so that's the best that I could do. So guys, check out the YouTube channel. We've got over 90 bagger related videos on there. A lot of them are Advanblack, but a lot of them are also just do-it-yourself stuff and some money saving tips. And then a lot of products that we put on this build back here, this 2014 Street Glide. We've got videos on the razor, the chop, the big backrest. We've even got a video that shows you the difference between the razor and the chop. If you have any questions on this, get up with me on the comment section down below. I check YouTube every day and I'll get back to you and help you the best that I can. But I'm gonna get out of here and get back to work. Until the next video, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.